Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cake Maida easy guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9-inch pan right away. Sift Maida, baking powder, and salt together for even texture. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add eggs one at a time. Fold dry ingredients gently with milk until smooth batter forms, avoiding overmixing for a tender crumb. Start by creaming butter and sugar until pale, then add eggs one at a time for stable emulsion. Alternate adding sifted Maida mixture and milk in 3 parts, beginning and ending with dry ingredients. Use a spatula for folding motions to keep air in the batter. Scrape the bowl sides to ensure uniform mixing, and stop as soon as the batter looks smooth and homogeneous to prevent toughness. Pour batter into a greased and lined 9-inch pan, filling it about 2/3 full to give room for rise. Bake at 350 degrees F and begin checking at 25 minutes with a toothpick. It should come out clean or with a few crumbs. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then invert onto a wire rack to finish cooling completely before icing or slicing to preserve texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.